Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstration showing off this. It's a fantastic phone that I cannot wait to show off with 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 of ROM in the classic black. This is easily, you can put your SIM card in, you've got easy volume control, your buttons, and it's just so quick. It's lightning fast. Has that new Android system on it, so it is a really cool product to use, and it has an incredible camera with flash that is going to blow your mind. So let's go ahead, check it out. I'm going to tell you all the advantages, and we're going to kick it off right about now. So yeah, I got to tell you, there's a lot of things that I love about this phone, including the case. Look at how how it's wrapped. I guess it's not even a case, but it's like a fine leather. This is something that would be in a stylish new vehicle, like a premium vehicle, like a Lexus or something. Look at how that looks. They just do a great job. Now, this is drop resistant on top of that. I got my new kitten saying she wants to play. But on top of all of that, this just has an incredible phone. Like, I have pretty much every new cell phone on the market, and this is the tops. This thing really takes gorgeous photos and videos. So if you're looking for something with an upgrade there, it also has no problem with dropping. It has no problem with water. All right, folks, something else cool about the V30. Again, it's the first rugged phone like this to have that eSIM card. What does that mean? Say you're traveling to Africa. You want the right SIM card to where your phone works on a local provider. Well, instead of having to go to a store and get a physical card, you can scan a QR code and suddenly you're in. You're on the local provider. It's going to save you a lot of steps, a lot of time, and you don't have to physically put a card in there. So the fact that it's got an eSIM card, and it's the first major competitor like this, the first major phone like this to feature this, really cool. The V30, there's nothing like it. Oh yeah. Now, this phone is really, it's got that rugged leather. It's a smartphone that's made out of materials that are good for the environment. It's so luxurious and stunning that it is something that is close to nature and good for the environment. So yeah, I'm just a big fan. Let me read you exactly what it says. It says on the V30, you can store multiple operators from different countries or regions at the same time. When you successfully purchase the eSIM number, you can enjoy international roaming services. With an eSIM, you don't need to get, carry, or swap physical SIM cards or wait for them to arrive. You can pretty much use this anywhere. It's personal, it's secure, and you don't have to worry about the SIM being taken and stolen. So anyway, folks, this is the most versatile international phone on the planet. It's beautiful, it's stylish, it's sophisticated. You got the one device equals essentially 5 standard numbers for regular phones. So go ahead, pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. A fantastic device that's gonna blow your mind. Are you kidding me? This thing is fantastic. Are you kidding me, Al? Go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed, folks. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. These guys are fantastic. They're beating the socks off the competition, and now with that new, I'm just blown away by the camera, but the international travel options, you know, I go to Cancun once a month, I go to Europe, I go to Canada. Being able to just swap eSIM cards is going to make that so much easier for international travel and calling. I love it. All right, folks, get yourself one. Thanks again for watching. 2 SIM cards, got your eSIMs. This thing is fan-dang-tastic. All right, stick around for the up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. This is a great brand, and you have the V30. This is Smart Life for you. And what can I tell you about it? Now, this is quite the powerful phone. It does have the user manual in English, the power outlet, the USB for connection, a couple cool dust things here. And of course, the phone itself. Are you kidding me, Al? I'm so excited about this. Now, when you first get it, you're gonna walk through the menus, and the menus are pretty straightforward. Just connect to your internet, set up your PIN number, etc. And you can pick whether you want the 3 button or the swipe. I picked the swipe option. Now, it comes loaded with apps, but of course you have access to your Google Store. You have Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Google Drive, YouTube Music, Google Play, and Photos all installed. The Duo, to where you can do conference calls and things. Google, the Play Store, phone app, of course, messages, Chrome, camera, and a bunch more. But of course, you've got access to the entire store with thousands and thousands of options. Now, I'm a big fan, and these guys do great things. Such a powerful, powerful device. And I gotta tell you, the speakers on this is fantastic. The speed, the camera is next level. See those three lenses there? That means it's going to be allowing a lot of light in. And of course, USB-C connection and everything you need, including screen protector accessories. So folks, if you're looking for a great high-speed phone, one that's built to last, well, guess what? It doesn't get much better than this. It does show you here how to plug in your SIM card. It's an easy 4-step process. And that means it'll work with pretty much every major carrier. Now, one of the big things that I love about this is that high-quality camera. It's even got night vision, which is incredible. You can turn on and off. You got that 108 megapixel beauty, and much more. You can create GIFs, panoramas, monos, bokeh, QR, and much more. So folks, if you're looking for something that's fantastic, something that's super fun, detailed, and just a great camera, well, this is the product for you. Got all the apps already installed and ready to go. It's running on that new Android platform. And yeah, I'm just a big fan. So folks, if you're looking for something fantastic, fanciful, and fun, then this is the product for you. There's not much more I can tell you other than you need to get yours. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Great company, powerful, powerful phone. This is 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 of ROM. It's the classic black coloration. It's the V30, and you won't be disappointed. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Look at how that quick action on there, right? They move. It moves, folks. All right, thanks again for watching, and I appreciate all of you. Goodbye, my friends.